Let's speak about plastics today. In 2022, United Nations Environmental Programme reported plastic pollution as one of the top 10 problems for the environment. Let's understand the burden of problem. In 1950, 1.5 million tons of plastics was produced every year. In 2021, this has risen to 390 million tons. Over 22 million tons of plastic leak into the environment every year, and this is going to be doubled by 2060. Of these million tons of plastics which is produced every year, only 9% are recycled. What happens to the rest of the 91% of plastics? It gets integral in our environment. Everywhere, wherever we step, here, 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 and here. New villain plastics and its degradation products, microplastics, are creeping into our environment, be it from creeks to clouds. How do we eat, breathe and drink microplastics every day? Average number of microplastic particles per gram per liter per meter cube of common consumables that we take every day is approximately 92.37% in a bottled water. But if it is a beer bottle, it is 32.7. Beer than bottled water? Maybe yes, on a lighter note. But it's always better to drink tender coconut water for your thirst. Microplastics can enter the human body through the food we take, through the air we breathe, or through skin contact. So what if microplastics enter a human body? It is not just for our generation, it is for the generations to come, and especially it is true if it enters a pregnant woman's body, because it can transcend into the fetus. If it is a male fetus, it can affect the testes, so that the spermatogenesis can be affected, which means production of sperms when he becomes a man. And if it is a female fetus, it can affect the ovaries and it can affect the oocyte when she becomes a woman. It's important to move the needle at home to prevent this monster, plastic pollution. First, say no to plastics, and especially single-use plastics. Recycle them, segregate them, and make a better future for our future generations. Stop using single-use plastics.